Hi, welcome back to Dalra Models. So in this video I've got a very exciting, or to me I think it's exciting anyway, unboxing video. So what it is this from Alpha Model, the Ferrari 812 Superfast. So it's my first Alpha Model kit, so I thought I will open it with you on video so you can see what's in the box and experience it with me. So as you can see, the box is fairly basic and not a lot of writing or anything on it, but it doesn't need to be. So let's see what's in here. So lots of resin pieces, because ultimately it's a resin kit, so what else would you expect? So there's your brake calipers, your brake discs, steering wheel, looks very nice, various other bits, door mirrors. So I'll figure out what it all is as I actually go through the build. That'll be the headlights. So I'm just going to take that out just to check, because there was a bit of a scuff on there, but that's not be a problem. Most of it's on the outer packing there. I just want to make sure it wasn't damaged. So next bag has seats, the rear diffuser there, door panels. Let's have a look in there. I'll open some of the bags as I go along. That's where you need door panels. So that's your seat, so that will be fitted like that. Centre console. So you can see they're really nicely detailed. No flash or anything like that, which sometimes happens with resin. So I'm not sure exactly on the manufacture of these, if they're 3D printed or traditional resin rolls. And there's a little bit there, but the quality so far from what I can see is very, very good. And the next bag just has the dashboard in it. So again, that's really nicely moulded. Sorry, I just took it off camera a bit as I was looking at it there. So it's a little bit of a notch in it there, but I can sort that out. But it's because the resin is so thin, it's easy for that to happen. But that's the advantage of using resin over styrene, is that you can get so much more detail in it. So there's our wheels. So you can see there's some casting material on the tyres, but that should sand off easy enough. It's got two sizes, small for the front and a bit wider for the rear. Take one of each and have a look. So yeah, there's your tyre material, but that'll sand off easy enough, that's not a problem. So you can see there the thickness difference on them as well. So they're really nicely moulded as well. A bit of clean-up required inside those wheels, but again, not anything major, and what you kind of expect to a degree from resin. So, main body, well wrapped and heavy. So that's one thing that doesn't come across on camera, is the actual weight of it. So that looks like the front section. So that'll be the underside. There's the floor plate, which is nicely moulded. So I've heard talk about these can get warpage. Again, you can see how thin that is, because you can see through there, and there's a little bit, not a problem though. A bit of hot water or something will sort that out. And then the main body. So I'll take that out and have a look. So that's your interior tub, and you've got your sections about for your luggage. So all the details are built up in the smaller pieces, I believe. And then that is the main tub, which is solid. That's just thick, solid resin. So it should be very strong, because that's another thing with resin, is it can be brittle. So with having it so thick, you shouldn't have any problems. So that bit looks like it fits in there, which it does. And then you've got some nicely moulded sun visors there, and a bit of roof detail, which you wouldn't get in a plastic kit. So that's a nice touch. And then the actual moulding of the body is really nice as well. It's very smooth. No sort of defects. I can see a little bit of dirt, but that's not a problem because you can paint it. But as far as defects go, there's nothing that I can see at all. So that's really nice. So yeah, they've done a good job on them. And this is obviously not their first kit that they've ever produced, but I believe that all of them that they've done have been similar quality. So I'll leave the instructions for a minute. So next one, we've got a bag of screws, which will be for various things, and then we've got what look like wiper blades, and then a few Photo-etched sheets and windscreen. So I'm not sure how that windscreen goes, so I'm going to open that up so I can have a look. I'll find where the bit is. So that's your windscreen material, and it's got a bit of a lip around it, and I think that's for like the seal that you'd get around the window. I'm not sure. We'll see what it's like when it obviously builds up, but that one's moved. That's one of the headlights rounds. Obviously the bubbles are because it's got a backing piece on it, so that's not defects. But they look okay. A few little decals. Obviously this isn't a race car, it's a street car, so you wouldn't get much, just the dash detail and the plates and things. So they look nice. You can see, so I'm going off camera again. If it focuses, you can see the numbers and the dials and everything quite clearly, read the logos and everything, so that's good. What else have we got? Seat belt bits, metal transfers, various vents, mirrors, meshes, more wiper parts. Looks like floor mats there, your gear selector things, kick plate, and then you've got some detailed disc covers, plates to go over the resin pieces with some more detail in. So a few nice pieces in there. So pick all those up and put them back in the bag in a minute. I'll just put them to the side for now. So let's have a look at the instructions. So full colour instructions, and they're obviously done with the 3D CAD software by the looks of the exploded view. So contents on the first section at the top, and then you've got information as to where the window parts go in there. So it looks like I'm just having a look through what I've actually got. Yeah, so it's obviously a curbside kit, no engine detail at all, because it's front engined car, so you wouldn't actually see anything. There's nothing in the back to see. So I'm assuming you'd start at this section, do the interior tub or something, which you see there's various bits. You've got your door handles bits, your handbrake, seat belts, pedals, mention the floor mats. So some nice detail in there. It should look quite good. And then you've got various mesh parts and mirrors and things like that for the outer body work. And you've got your rear lights and all that assembly and everything. There where your windows would go and everything. That one would be your all of your floor pan and everything, your wheels, how that all goes together. And then that would be your small decal placement and the metal transfers. And then obviously there's that, the rest of that sheet in this bottom sheet is just some cool reference photos to help you pick your colours and detail it. So overall it's a pretty cool looking kit, and I'm really excited about it, really looking forward to getting started with it. So watch this space. So before you ask, yes, this will be a full video build on the channel, and it will be coming soon. So I've cleared my desk ready for this in anticipation of it coming, so it's not going to be long at all before I actually get to make a start on this and have some progress videos up. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do first yet, so watch this space, but yeah, it won't be too long. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're looking forward to the build process as much as I am. So see you next time.